Hello everyone, wherever you are watching me today. If today is your first time here, my name is Dr. Abolade, the son of Aramide. Everything I do here is to share spiritual tips. God bless you. Please, I want you to share this program. Let others benefit from this program. Please, that is what I want. I know that you will do it for me. In today's video, I want to share how to protect our family against evil people. How to protect our family against witches and wizards is what I would like to share with you people today. Please, kindly make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you are subscribed, make sure you turn on the notification bell. Any day, anytime I post video, you will be the first person to watch my program. How to do it? Go and look for thunderstone. Yoruba call it Edun. Go and look for original one. Don't use fake one. Go and look for original thunderstone and sawere pepper leaf. Sawere pepper leaf and ewe origin leaf. Sawere thunderstone and sawere pepper leaf and origin leaf and today and the root of that leaf. Today leaf and the root. Go and look for it. And this leaf, Yoruba call it ewe afeloro, and gentrover leaf, red and white gentrover leaf. Pack all these items inside mortar. You can pound it on the stone. You can pound this thing on the stone. You can pound it inside mortar. Pound it very well. Then add black soap to it. Are you with me? If you don't understand, you are free to call my number. It's 080-3933-6675 or 080-5313-3142. That is my number. If you are interested in our products, we have all kinds of apps such as Aladi, Aba Flusher, Koba, Manpower, Infection Flusher, Cancer, Fibroid, and Eyono soap, back to sender soap. We have back to sender soap, and so on and so forth. Wherever you are, you receive your package. You can also follow me on my Facebook page, Dr. Abolade TV. You can follow me on TikTok. You can follow me on IG, Dr. Abolade. Pack this thing together. Add black soap to it. After that, you can pack this soap inside calabash. Pack it inside plastic rubber. If you want to use it, you can use it in the morning. You can use it at night. Anytime you want it, just use it to bathe. Give your wife, your children. Don't use it alone. Give your family. Let's protect our family against evil people. That is it. Edun, thunderstone, and sawere pepper, origin leaf, today leaf, and the root, and afeloro, and white and red gentrover leaf. White and red gentrover leaf. Pound it together and use it to bathe every day, anytime you want it. You can use it in the morning. You can use it at night. For more video, please subscribe. My name is Dr. Abolade, the son of Aramide. Bye for now.